In today's video, I will walk you through how to create audiobooks using ElevenLabs AI. Once you've signed in to your ElevenLabs account, you'll be taken to the main dashboard. From there, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Studio. This is where you'll create and manage your audiobook projects. After entering Studio, click on New Blank Project to start a new project. You'll then be asked to choose a project type. From the available options, select Book Audio Project. This project type is designed for creating audiobook narration from your written content. Once your project has been created, you'll be ready to upload the document you want to convert into an audiobook. On the main project screen, click on Document. This option allows you to import the file that contains the text you want to narrate. Select your document and upload it into the project. Before continuing, make sure your document is properly formatted and has the correct title so it can be processed smoothly. After the document has been uploaded, move over to the panel on the right side of the screen. This is where you'll choose the voice that will narrate your audiobook. You can select a voice you've already created, or choose one from the available voice samples provided inside ElevenLabs. Browse through the available voices and select the one you want to use for your narration. Once you've chosen the voice, you're ready to generate the audiobook audio. Start the generation process, and ElevenLabs AI will begin converting your uploaded document into spoken narration. The amount of time this takes will depend on the size and complexity of the document you've uploaded. While the audiobook is being generated, you'll also have access to the audio editor. Use the editor to listen through the narration as it's created. If you notice anything that needs adjusting, you can make edits directly within the editor. Review the narration carefully, adjust pauses where needed, and make any changes necessary to improve the overall flow of the audiobook. Continue reviewing the generated audio until you're satisfied with the final result. Once you've finished making your edits, your audiobook project will be ready. Following these steps will allow you to quickly turn your written document into an AI-generated audiobook using the tools available inside ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.